ChatGPT does not say, "I do not know." It says something, even when it should not. That is the problem. You ask a vague question, ChatGPT gives you a detailed, confident answer. You read it and think, "This sounds right," but it is not. Or it is half right. Or it is right for someone else's situation, but not yours. And you do not realize it until you try to use it, and it does not work. Here is what is happening behind the scenes. ChatGPT is a pattern-matching machine. When you ask it something vague, it does not stop and say, "Hey, can you clarify?" It fills in the gaps itself, based on patterns it has seen before. So if you ask, "How do I improve my marketing?" it does not know what kind of marketing, what industry you are in, what improve means to you. It just picks the most statistically likely answer and runs with it. And because it writes confidently, you assume it understood. But it did not. It guessed and formatted the guess like certainty. This is why vague questions are dangerous. Not because you get no answer, but because you get a confident answer that feels right but is not. And if you do not know how to spot that, you will waste time executing bad advice. Or worse, you will lose trust in the tool entirely and stop using it. But the tool is not broken. The question was incomplete. So here is the fix. Before you ask ChatGPT anything, ask yourself 3 things. 1. What do I already know? 2. What am I assuming it knows? 3. What does success look like for this answer? If you cannot answer those, your question is too vague. And ChatGPT will fill those gaps for you. Probably wrong. But if you can answer them, include them in your prompt. Do not make ChatGPT guess. The clearer your question, the more useful the answer. The vaguer your question, the more it has to assume. We have covered the biggest mistakes. Asking without knowing what you want and leaving gaps ChatGPT feels wrong. In episode 4, we are going to reset how you think about ChatGPT itself. Because most people still treat it like Google, or a human, or an expert. It is none of those things, and that matters. Episode 4 is about expectations, what ChatGPT actually is, and why that changes everything. See you there. Next time, if ChatGPT is not a search engine, not a person, and not an expert, what is it, and why does that matter?